I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Hyundai Accent door. We've all been there, standing outside our car with the keys locked inside. It's a common problem, but thankfully, there's an easy and effective method to get back into your Hyundai Accent without causing any damage. This approach focuses on simplicity and using readily available tools to quickly resolve the situation. To begin, gather just a couple of simple items. First, you'll need a plastic wedge or an air wedge, which helps create a tiny opening without scratching your paint. Second, a long-reach tool, such as a modified coat hanger or a specialized Slim Jim, will be essential. These tools are designed to reach inside and manipulate the locking mechanism, making this process surprisingly manageable for anyone. Now let's get to the steps. Start by carefully inserting your plastic or air wedge into the top corner of the driver's side door frame. Gently expand the wedge to create a small 1/4 inch gap. This gap is crucial for the next step. Once you have a sufficient opening, carefully slide your long-reach tool through the gap and into the car's interior, aiming for the door lock button or handle. With your long-reach tool inside, carefully maneuver it to either press the unlock button on the door panel or hook the interior door handle. A gentle pull or press should disengage the lock. Once the door is unlocked, slowly remove your tools, deflate the air wedge if used, and close the door. Remember to always work slowly and deliberately to prevent any accidental damage to your vehicle's paint or weather stripping. You've successfully opened your Hyundai Accent door.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.